Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are fine. Let's start today's class. So, students, are you ready for today's class? Okay. Before going to start a class, firstly, you tell me what do you have? What do you learned in your previous class? So, students, we have learned importance of mining in our previous class. So, students, today let's start our class. So, student, this is your block 7 and this is the part 4 of your block, and this is the last part of your block. Students, today we will learn about how forests help people earn a living. Okay, students? Yes. Students, tell me what we get from forests. And second one, if you lived near a forest, would you able to earn a living and how? So students, let's discuss the answer of these questions. So students, we get wood from forests. Wood is sent to the factories to make things like beds, books, chairs, tools, tables, desks, boxes, and picture frames. Besides these, people shell nuts, berries, fruits, herbs, which they get from forests. They make mats and baskets with things that they get from forest. In this way, people living near the forest earn their living from forest. I hope it is clear to you. Now students, let's discuss. Now students, tell me, there are two questions. How do people living near a forest depend on forest to earn a living? And second one, what is different about work done in a farm and a forest? Okay students, now let's discuss the answer of these questions. Yes, people living near a forest sell things that they get from forests. Farming gives us food like fresh vegetables, fruits, greens, and pulses. Whereas forest gives us food, nuts, berries, medicinal herbs, and grow naturally. तो फार्मिंग से हमें क्या मिलता है? फ्रेश वेजिटेबल्स, फ्रूट्स मिलते हैं, ग्रेन्स, पल्सेस मिलती हैं. ओके. और फॉरेस्ट से क्या मिलता है? वुड मिलती है, नट्स, बेरीज, मेडिसिनल हर्ब्स मिलती हैं जो मेडिसिन बनाने में काम आती हैं. एंड ग्रो नेचुरली, जो नेचुरल तरीके से ग्रो होती हैं, उनको ग्रो करने की नीड नहीं होती. ओके. अ वैरायटी ऑफ प्लांट्स and animals are present in forests, whereas farming involves growing crops and raising animals for food. Okay students, I hope it is clear to you. Next one, this is your hot question, higher order thinking skill. What will happen if there are no forests around us? क्या होगा जब forest होगा ही नहीं? Now let's discuss the answer. People who earn a living by selling these things will not be able to earn money. तो जो people हैं उनको, जो नियर फॉरेस्ट के नियर रहते हैं, उनको मनी नहीं मिलने वाला. They will not have food to eat. They will have to move to cities. वो कहाँ चले जाएंगे? Cities में. One should be careful not to remove forest land as they are very important. Forests are very important for us. Forest gives us wood, medicinal herbs, berries मिलती हैं आपको, nuts भी मिलते हैं fruit से, forest से. So forests are very important for us. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you students. Now students, today we will read the lesson importance of forests. A lot of people depend on forests to earn a living. We in turn depend as many things that come from forests. We need wood from forests to make furniture. जो wood होती है forest से, वो इससे क्या बनता है, हमारे फर्नीचर बनते हैं, like table, stool, beds, chairs. Okay. Some people in villages use wood as a fuel. कुछ जो विलेज में काम कर जो विलेज में रहते हैं पीपल क्या करते हैं, वुड से वो फ्यूल की तरह यूज़ करते हैं उनको, कि खाना बनाने में वो वुड यूज़ करते हैं. पीपल लिविंग क्लोज टू फॉरेस्ट कलेक्ट वुड्स. जो नियर में रहते हैं वो कलेक्ट करते हैं वुड्स, लीव्स एंड ड्राई ब्रांचेस. People who live near forest sell herbs as medicine along with fruits and berries. मार्केट में जो उनको मिलती हैं फॉरेस्ट से, फ्रूट्स मिलते हैं, बेरीज मिलती हैं, मेडिसिनल हर्ब्स होती हैं, वो सारे की सारी क्या कर देते हैं, सेल कर देते हैं मार्केट में. दे ऑल्सो मेक हैंड क्राफ्ट्स. ये देखो यहाँ पे ना, ये जो लेडी है वो क्या बना रही है, बास्केट्स बना रही है ना वुड से. So they also make handicrafts and different items such as basket, mats from forest products. Forest में जो प्रोडक्ट मिलते हैं उनसे ही बनाते हैं. And sell them in the market to earn a living. और उससे मार्केट में सेल कर देते हैं और उनसे पैसे मिलते हैं, उनको मनी मिलते हैं. They get money और फिर they earn their living, earn a living. So student, I hope it is clear to you. Move on next. This is your worksheet, students. And this is your S for forestry. This is your question 1. Write the names of 4 things that we get from forests. Tell me the name of the 4 things that you get from the forest. Food, medicines, herbs. और क्या मिलता है आपको? मेडिसिन, हर्ब्स मिलती हैं, फ्रूट्स मिलते हैं, berries. Okay, you have to write down 4 things that you get from forest. Second one, how do forests help people to earn their living? So people who live near the forest sell herbs as medicine along with fruits and berries. They also make handicrafts and different items such as basket and mats from forest products and sell them in market to earn a living. Okay students, I hope it is clear to you. So student, this is your question 3. Draw a picture of one thing that we get from a forest in the boxes. In this box you have to draw the picture of one thing that you get from the forest. Okay students, so students, I hope it is clear to you. Now student, these are the practice questions and you have to do your practice question 4. How do people depend on forests? Answer in 4 and 5 sentences. So how do people depend on forest? You have to answer of this question. You have to think the answer of this question and write in your SS notebook. So student, this is your lesson 4, importance of forests. Okay students, thank you for watching this video. Watch it carefully.